जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 533rd namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 56th sloka. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who came down as Kapila Maharshi. And also, O Srimannarayana, you are the one who is pervaded through all three Vedas with your unlimited effulgence. Not only that, O Srimannarayana, because of your supremacy, you are the one who is presented by, disclosed by, established by all three Vedas. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus divine feet. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Sri Ramachandra Swami is filled up with so much of angry. With that extreme anger, Rama is saying to Lakshmana, Lakshmana, Samakulam Amaryadam Jagat Pasya Adya Lakshmana. Now you are going to witness, Lakshmana, with my arrows. I am going to make this entire universe upside down. Lakshmana, Ishubhihi Akarnapurnaihi Ishubhihi Jivalokam Duravaraihi. With my arrows, with accurately targeted with my arrows, I am going to make sure on this earth no pisachas, no rakshasas live on this earth anymore. Lakshmana, mama rosha prayuktanam, with extreme amount of my anger, if I shoot my arrows, then devatas will know what is my strength. Now I am going to show all the devatas my strength. Lakshmana, if I get upset, if I get anger, no devata also will be able to live anymore. Lakshmana, with my arrows, Sekali Krutaha, I am going to make this entire universe into pieces and pieces. If anything happens to Sita, nobody will be able to live on this earth. Lakshmana, if Devatas does not bring my Sita safely back to me, Nasayami Jagat Sarvam Trilokyam Sacharacharam, I am going to destroy all these three worlds. Like that, Rama was extremely angry, and because of that anger, Rama's eyes gone so red. With that red eyes, Rama has taken his bow Dhanusu, and Rama has taken an arrow which is looking like a dreadful big serpent. And Rama is completely filled up with so much angry, and with that anger, his effulgence is coming out so much. Then he is saying that, Lakshmana, यथा राजा यथा मृत्युः यथा कालो यथा विधिः. As and how nobody can go against king. As and how nobody can go against death. As and how nobody can go against kalam, the time. As and how nobody can go against fate. So also, if I get angry, nobody can go against my angry, and nobody can go against my decision. Lakshmana, all these worlds, each and every entity is going to be destroyed in each and every possible way. Lakshmana, if my Sita is not brought back to me safely, Sadeva Gandharva Manushya Pannagam Jagat Sasailam Parivartayami Aham. All the Devatas, Gandharvas, Manushyas, and all these mountains, hills, everything, this entire universe is going to be destroyed in total. Like that, Ramachandra Swami expressing his anger along with his pain. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 56th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Ajo Maharhaha Svabhavyo Jitamitraha Pramodanaha Anando Nandano Nandaha Satyadharma Trivikramaha. Ajo Maharha Svabhavyo Jitamitrah Pramodanaha Anando Nandano Nandaha Satyadharma Trivikramaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Om Trivikramaya Namaha. Om Trivikramaya Namaha.